Okay, this is a servo. It's a custom modified servo. So what I did was take the chip out of there, the control board. So now it's no longer a servo. It is simply a DC motor, a gear train, and a potentiometer. Break these out. My trusty MakerPi RP2040. The motor comes to a DC motor driver with H-bridge, and then the potentiometer goes to plus 3.3 and 0, and then the white is a analog input pin on the microcontroller. What's running is a PID algorithm, and I just had a lot of fun playing with this. I don't play with PID or do controls much, do lots of electronics. Alright, so I'm going to hit these buttons here. These change the set point pretty quickly. And when I change the set point, the servo is going to move because we're running code in Python that implements position that closes the loop on the controller. I have this tuned so that it's under damped system, and in fact it rings when I introduced a step input. So we're watching that wobble at the end is in fact a underdamped system. And there's a lot of fun. Way too much fun. I have other stuff to do. So, until next time.